BGD is behavior driven development. So what is behavior driven development? See, in company many people work. We have business analyst also, we have product owner also, we have developers also and testers also. So everyone don't know about coding. Okay, what is written? Business analyst will give you the requirement. Then you will show him in a simple English language. And that English language is known as jerkin. He will see that language and he will say, yes, this is the requirement. Now you will automate that language, English sentence. You don't know what you have done inside, but he will say, yes, this is the requirement and you have to automate or you have to develop it. So behavior, so that a language, we have a language that everyone can easily understand. Okay, that is behavior. Every behavior should be. Okay, so let's start. We will be taking use of our previous program also, many places. So remember. So here I go. I'm sorry, this is Java. I create a new folder.
Abhinav, are you sharing your screen?
Now I'm sharing. Can you see now? Yeah.
Yeah,
So let
yeah.
me create a new folder. So we are doing Cucumber. Oh, 8 a.m. over. Okay. So this is the folder. Go to new terminal and just install your playwright over here. So this is the command to install the playwright. We are doing BDD.
I'm
I
not
have just
able to see the screen, Abhinav. Are you guys able to see the screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see.
Okay.
Yeah, I can also.
so I'm installing playwright for BDD. Many of the cases I will be taking the use of our. I won't be doing a rework here. Again, if I go, okay, open folder, rework, and which framework we did yes, 8 a.m. form. This we have already done. Now see, we will be converting, taking this same project into the front. Okay. Now, what I do, first of all, first thing is that I will keep this JSON same. Everyone, we don't have to make any changes also. Okay. Because this will be the same thing which we are going to use. The first thing I will be creating a folder that is data. Okay. Under this, I will create a file test. Under data, I will create a file test data dot JSON. Okay. I am taking the same file because same data we are going to use. Fine. We will have the pages. Okay. We will have the pages. I will make some changes in the pages. Don't worry. But locators will be same. Functions can be different because here statement will be there, like enter only username. So I will be created a sim different function for username. So I will show you. I go over here, create a new folder. Okay. Okay. I move it over here. So this is our page. Fine. Now, so first page, see, go to your project. Okay. So here, if you see it is first page is login. First page is login page. So locator will be same. Functions, I will make some differences. Okay, don't worry. Navigate. Okay. So I take the same function. First function I am creating here is login. If guys, if you have not practiced it, then take my videos. The thing, very good thing is that we have all the sequenced videos. Okay, you can easily understand, but you should have been practicing it. So I have copied it. See, locators will be the same. Constructor will be same. Navigate function will be same. Now I'm breaking this function because sometimes because the steps is like that. Enter username, do not enter password. Enter password, do not enter uh, username, or just click on the login button. So I need to break this one. I am breaking this. I'm removing this. I am putting here. Asim, ASYLC, ELT, ER, user, okay, well, string. And give me a wait, this, dot, user, input, dot, fill with user. Next function, I will create async, enter password, async, this, dot, sorry, enter password, enter password, await, this, dot, enter, mm, password input. Okay. Looks like I am feeling sleepy. Then I have to click on login button. Assume this. Assume click login. Click over wait or this login button. Okay. Same thing, just I break the thing. Do one thing, I'm giving you 2 minutes. They just go through the things, write it out. Now, let me create another page. Next page will be our, let me check what is on the next page. Next is cart page. Okay, remove button. So I'm taking complete checkout. Just not a cart page. Inventory page. Okay, inventory page is the next page. We'll be adding the products on all this. I'm copying this page. Okay. Now I'm going to it, creating inventory page dot page. Everyone listing. Okay. So the filters, everything will remain the same. Right. Now I think we should have. I have. I will break this function in two parts. One will be I will add backpack and another is backlight. Okay. So we were adding two products over here. You remember? If I show you, go inside it. So we were backpack and backlight. We were adding two products. So now what I will do, I will add these products, but I will add these products separately. In function, I was adding to calling the same function adding to, but now separately. So I open cart and remove. This will remove and then remove. I will remove also separately. I'm removing these two functions. Open cart and logout will remain the same. So I create by function. Okay, so we create a s by adjacent add back back to r. Okay, I'm calling this function away this dot page dot locator. And what is the locator? Let's check it out. We will be taking this data set. I am taking this data set. Okay. And I will be clicking. I took this data set and I click on it. I add backpack to the line. Okay. Second, I will be clicking on our add bike light. Okay. So wait, if dot read dot locator. Okay. Let's see what is the value over there. If I inspect it, so it is this data set at the bike light. Okay. I go over here and click on it. So two functions are ready. Okay. Add and let me keep this function also. Suppose if I give both the products at a time, so I'm keeping this function also as it is intact. Okay. And for removing, I am putting this. These are two functions I am taking from our previous framework. Okay, so add product to cart and remove. So it will be if I want to add both the products, okay, then I can use. If I want to remove one or both the products, I can use this function. So I'm keeping these both the functions and I am keeping my remove function also. So we are taking, see, this will, when you will do in company also, you have to take out the previous data only. You won't be creating every time you need it. And you should learn about this, how we can use our previous data. That is more important. Logics you all know where to click, where to do. Just we need to see how to organize the source. So these are the functions which I have created in our this inventory page. Please have a look. You can create these two. After that, I will create a cart page. Here I will put some promise. Okay, we are done with this. Next is the inventory page. Inventory page we are going to solve. Check card page. Next will be the card page. So I go and create card page. Card page dot tools. Okay. Let's go and take our code from the card page. Go here, paste it. See. Now see, I want to click. I want to show you some difference here. I'm removing these two. Okay. I am creating a function. A string. Go to the corner. Promise. Got it. Okay. I am going to. Fine. I am creating this promise because I want to. It will not return anything. First thing, promise will return something. Title is that resolve or reject and resolve. And we can also return like void. It is not returning anything. So I'm just returning nothing, but it guarantees that it click on a icon, on card icon. So I go and give await this dot icon, card icon use card icon. Okay. So we are not having card item, we are having card icon. We have not created. Let me create card icon also. So I create a read only card icon locator. Fine. And let's go over here in our application. Revise backtick. This is card icon. So I can take class, its class shopping cart link. Okay. So I go this dot cart. Here I am doing this. This dot cart icon is equal to page dot locator dot shopping. Just a second. Let me take it again. Okay. Right. I have to declare. See, this is the. I have to declare it here. Sorry, everyone. I have to declare it here. This dot card icon is equal to page dot locator over here in the top part. Fine. Now I want to go to this card icon. So what I can do, await this dot card icon dot click. It will give a promise. It is not returning anything, but promise is that it will click. This is one function. Then next is our checkout function that I can take from here itself. So we have a checkout function. And we have click on continue also two functions I can copy from here. Now see, suppose if I click on both the items, backpack and backline. So our cart item count should be 2. Okay. So here I am also creating a function, a string verify cart items. Okay. Give promise. Now promise will return a value that is Boolean. Okay. Count is true, it will return true, else it will return false. Go over here with cost, count is equal to public this dot card item dot count and return count. So this will return. If it is true, promise will return true. If it is not true, then it promise will return wrong. Okay, everyone, please write it out. Check it out. Last also I will put the promises. In our check for checkout also I will put some promises. So you will learn more. Write it out. Okay. Now let's see. This is done. This is done. Then it is our checkout page. So I go over here, create check out page dot ps. Okay, our cart page C should be capital. Let me rename it. C should be capital. Let's go to checkout page. Let's take our code and make modification in it. So I go over here, take control C, checkout page, control. Okay, this is our complete code, guys. Now, I will be breaking this whole function. Okay, I will be breaking all the functions. all these functions. Okay. So I am removing them. Okay. Let's create. First name I write to it. Field. First name. Okay. Over here. FIR. SD. Name. Column. String. It will be also promise. It will not return anything. Promise. Void. Okay. Over here. And will await. Await this dot first name dot fill. Why this is showing me assume await first, not it is first input name. See, it is first name. This is first name input. Okay. Now I have to fill with first name. Okay. Same way I can create for a function for our last name also. Async fill last name. Okay. And here what I can do await this dot dot fill with same way I can give for postal code also. Async. Okay. Await this dot postal code input dot fill with and I can have click continue also or click continue also. So async async click continue colon promise and the void. Then go over here, give await this dot continue button or click. And at the end, when we click on continue, you will get a confirmation page, confirmation that is complete header. Here is a complete header. So either it will be there or not. So promise will be returning a string value or a null value. So how can I create it? I can give assume that confirmation text or not promise. Okay. It will be either string, colon or null. Okay. And you can return await this dot complete error dot text pending and return respectively. Okay. So these are all the functions which can we have. Let me organize them. Yes. So all these functions we will be having here. So we have created all the 4 pages. Please have a look before I start creating the feature file for it. Now, now you need to create a folder that is feature folder. F-E-A-T-U-R. F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Okay, features folders. See, my spelling is very poor. That's why I have to check it 2, 3 times. F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Okay. So here in this brief, I will create our feature file. So what is the feature file which will have all the jerkins, all the English language? So on the basis of only that only we are going to do the automation. So I'm creating ECOMMERCE2E dot feature file. So see, what is our feature here? Our feature here is that this is a Suki demo site and we have to do end-to-end e-commerce verifications. So this is our feature. Okay, this is our features. Now, for doing any scenarios, remember if you have 5 scenarios, 10 scenarios, there are some common points. There are some common steps which have to be executed in the starting of any scenario. There are some common points which are need to be included in the starting of the scenarios. They are known as background. So first, what is the background? That we need to navigate to the application. Okay, you have to go to the navigate. After that, you have to, I will tell you about what is this given. After that, you have to open the Swag login page. Okay, you will enter the username password and we will authenticate are we inside or not. So these 3 steps will be common for all the features. Everyone, yes or no? So these will be common for that. You have to log in. Given. What is given? That it is given. You have to log in. And combines the condition. See, it is simple language. Given when you have to be there, then you have to perform this, and then you have to perform this, and then you have to combine. You use and given is any condition is given. Then what should happen when this condition is there? So this is the language we have to do. So now I have a scenario that we have to verify complete end-to-end order placement. This is my scenario. The scenario always starts with keyword scenario. Now, so first thing is what we will do when user inputs valid username. So that's why I created a different function for it. Now, when user enters valid username, why I gave this in double quotes? Because standard username can differ. Any values which are differing, which are changing, you need to put it in double quotes. Okay. Dynamic values. User standard user can be any my name, any value would be there. Okay. So I'm putting. After that, when and now what happened? When I enter username and then also I can use when also here, but combining a condition I am giving and user enter inputs valid password. So that is also secret source. I have given in double quotes. Why? It may change. And what we will do? We will click on login button. We will click on login button. So this scenario is clear. Everyone. After that, what happens? When we do this, then user should be redirected to product inventory page. Okay. Remember, then user should be redirected to product inventory page where it is. So we are here. Now remember we need to verify and then it should be and or you can give then also and the page header should display products. Header should display products. Okay. Now what we need to do? Now when we select source lab backpack product, okay, and click the add to cart button of backpack. Okay, so we select this and we click over here. Okay, we select this and we click over here. So I can say, see, I only need to click over here. Why should I select it? Okay, why should I select it? I am thinking about it. I don't think we need to select, or I can put it currently. Just we select it like this. We select it and after that we click. So I give a test case like what we can give when users select the source backlash and click on add to cart button. I will not implement it function, but let's give this line. Okay. When user select it and after that we click on add to cart button of backpack. After that again and or when you can give and user selects source lab bike light product and he clicks on select and clicks on add to cart button of backlight and clicks on add to cart button of. Now we have clicked on both. So now what happened? Then okay, the shopping cart badge count should show two. Okay, then this shopping cart badge, this is cart badge. Remember last class? So it should show us two. So now when user clicks on shopping cart container icon, when if I give like this, if I go over here, when I click, so I will click over here. When user click on shopping cart container icon, then user should navigate to shopping cart item review page. Okay, this is shopping cart I do review page. When I click on it, then user should come here. Now, now if you see the cart should display both the cart should display both the selected items. It is showing. Then the cart must display both selected items. Then cart must display. It is showing me both the correct item. When I click on now, when I click on checkout button, okay. When I click on checkout button, okay. When I click on this, and user fills first name, last name, and postal code. So user fills with first name. It can be any value. So I'm putting in double quotes. User fill last name. It could be anything. I'm putting in double quote. User fill postal code. Okay. He fills all these three values and clicks on continue button. He fill all these three values and click on continue button and click on continue. Okay, I'm giving just to check that. Now the checkout verification scheme should be there. Checkout overview. Then user should see the checkout overview verification history. Okay. Then user should see checkout overview verification. Now user click on finish button. When user click on finish button. So if you go over here, when user click on finish buttons, because here user will be clicking on finish button. Okay, then order confirmation text. Thank you for your order should be visible. So this is the scenario which we are going to cover. Anyone questions anything on it? Should I continue? Everyone, please comment. Should I continue or you will practice today? Are you in the class? Yeah,
Sir,
but yeah.
we continue tomorrow. We will practice this one.
Okay. The Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Lakshmi, are you there? Soumya, are you there? Priyanka, are you there? Just check it out. Take out your pen pencil. Write the things what I have done. You will be easily able to understand it. That is the best formula to understand anything related to codes. Okay, just take out pen, pencil, paper. Try to track what I have done. If you are not able to understand, it will take time. I gave you 1 hour. I gave you 15 minutes. It will take you 3 hours to track it out. But that will be the best way. Okay, I will share this recording.